I'm Sean McQuaid, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Florida. And I was asked to discuss the issues that I'm seeing with uninsured and underinsured drivers in Florida. Why is this happening? Why has this problem gotten worse? My thought is, even though the Florida Department of Insurance says that there is only about 16 to 20% of drivers who are uninsured, the number is actually much higher than that because they are not accounting for underinsured motorists. Now, what people don't understand is that you can be fully insured. You can have full coverage on your car insurance policy, but that does not mean that you have to carry bodily injury coverage that protects you if you hit someone and injure them. What is happening is because the insurance companies have risen the rates astronomically here in 2024, people have dropped their bodily injury coverage. And what we are seeing is that between 30 and 40% of all accidents, there is no bodily injury coverage, which is just a crazy and scary amount. So what do you do if you are a victim of one of these other drivers who doesn't carry bodily injury? First, what we do, we look to see if the driver matches the owner, right? We look to see if there are other insurance policies out there that we can somehow attach. Number two, we look for individual assets of the drivers. Now, that is a bit of a long shot because what I always tell people is Florida is a debtor-friendly state. It's not a good reputation to have, but when people owe money, they come to Florida because they know they don't have to pay it once they get here. But again, we scour the records to see if we find any assets. Number three, we look to your own insurance policy to see if you carry uninsured motorist coverage. Go to your deck page on your insurance policy. It'll say UM for short. And that amount of money on your insurance policy is there as a pot of last resort for you. Now, lastly, if we are unable to find personal assets, insurance from the other party, or insurance of your own, guess what? You still don't owe us anything. So it does not hurt to look and does not hurt to ask because we work on a contingency basis. We only get paid if we recover money for you. There's just simply no risk in going through the steps and trying to find money to cover your losses.